of freedom is a reminder of the sacrifice made. Honorable dignitaries, respectable teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear friends, wishing you all a happy 80th Independence Day. I'm standing before you to define the meaning of the tricolor. Look around you today. Every single August 15, we see these three colors everywhere. On houses, cars, and right here on our stage. But how often do we stop to think what they demand from us? Saffron isn't just a color, it's a standard of courage. White isn't just plain space, it's a straight demand for honesty and peace. Green isn't just nature, it's our country's growth and hard work. And that wheel in the center, the Ashok Chakra, is a constant reminder that standing still is never an option for India. The flag doesn't just fly in the wind, it asks us what we are doing to keep it high.
The journey of that flag Sahana just spoke about was raised for the very first time nearly 8 years ago. Think about where India was in 1947 and look where we stand today in 2026. We went from a struggling, newly free nation to a global power. We built strong democratic rules, won on international sports grounds and reached the moon and beyond in space research. These 80 years prove one thing. When Indians decide to do something, no obstacle in the world can stop us. Let us imagine what our freedom fighters will speak if they are here now.
Look at me. Decades ago, my friends and I stood up against an entire empire so that you all could sit here today in freedom. We gave up our youth, our safety, and our life for this land. Now, I look at all of you and ask, what are you doing with the freedom we have given you? Are you caring for this country or are you breaking its rules? We have given you a free India. It is up to you to keep it strong.
My dear children, listen to me closely. I have given you rich rivers, fertile green fields, endless opportunities and ancient wisdom. I don't need loud slogans or grand promises today. I need you to be honest. I need you to keep my streets clean, protect my nature, respect one another and stand united for no matter what. Show me through your daily life actions that you are proud to be my children. Make me proud.
Freedom beyond the flag. When Mother India and our freedom fighters speaks to us, one big truth stands out. Real freedom isn't just a holiday or a flag on our shirts. Freedom is not just the right to speak, it's the responsibility to listen. Rights are easy to celebrate, but the real freedom only survives when we take action every single day.
So where do we take this freedom next? Fast forward just 2 decades to the year 2047, the day our India turns 100. Close your eyes and see it. My dream India in 2047 is completely clean, environmentally responsible, technologically advanced and united without compromise. A nation where every single child gets world-class education, every citizen feels safe and our country leads the globe with pride. 2047 isn't just a distinct year on the calendar, it's our future. The story from 1947 to 2047 is being written by us and our time starts right now. As students of today and citizens of tomorrow, let's join our hands together and make our country a global leader. And let's also work together to fulfill the theme of this 80th Independence Day, Yuva Shakti for Viksit Bharat in 2047.
Thank you.
Thank you and Jai Hind.